In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can mix nature sounds with your guided meditation inside Palette for free. So let's get into it. So this is a project. This is a guided meditation project that I built, and I built an entire tutorial, and I showed you step by step how to mix this music with a voiceover. So I'm not gonna go over this. I'm gonna link the entire tutorial in the description of this video, so you can go back and watch. But in this tutorial, I want to show you how we can actually add nature sounds to this entire mix to make it even more interesting. So nature sounds are great ways to make your meditations more interesting, and oftentimes you don't even need music because nature sounds themselves have proven to be very relaxing, and a lot of people rely on that for sleep meditation, for morning meditation, or meditation in general. It relaxes them, help them release anxiety. So nature sounds themselves can actually be a great way, and oftentimes you don't need to even have a music, so you can just include so you can just have a nature sounds recording with your voiceover, and that will be enough. But for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can layer the nature sound on top of the music and create a cohesive mix. So let's take a listen to the fragment of this music without nature sounds, and then I'm going to show you how to add the nature sounds. Let's take a listen.
Just awakened. Good morning. You have just awakened, and before you move, before the day begins.
So yeah, that's the meditation. Quite simple. The voiceover in top, and then you have the music in the bottom. We have the music cross fades, and also there is this like second music at the end of the meditation, which was more uplifting. So now what we want to do, we want to add nature sounds to the whole mix. There are 3 layers now. So on the 4th layer, I'm gonna double click here and call it nature sounds. And then what I'm going to do, as of now, we have been looking into the music, but now I'm going to move and click on this other tab called Soundscape under Audio Library. And there are 2 options. There's nature sounds and there's colored noise. I'm going to go over colored noise in a different tutorial. But now I'm going to click on nature sounds, and as you can see, there are 18 different nature sounds recordings you can choose from, and this library is growing every month. So for this particular meditation, I'm looking for because it's a sunrise, the morning meditation, something like birds sound or something related to morning would be very interesting. You can see there's forests, rain, sea waves, river, waterfall, night time. Anyway, so here the morning birds should be good. So what you have to do, you have to just click on it and then simply drag and drop it from the left side to the right side, and just drop it there. And all the music tracks, all the soundscapes and everything is included inside Palette for free. And the music tracks and the nature sounds, they are all leveled and pre-mixed, or leveled in a way that you don't have to work with the levels. You don't have to automate the level or change the level or mix anything. They are in a level that simply drag and drop, and it gets mixed, and Palette takes care of the mix for you. So the nature sounds is loaded, and I want this to start from the very beginning, so I'm gonna click on it, then drag and drop to the left, and let's take a listen how it sounds now.
Good morning. You have just awakened, and before you move, before the day begins, allow your gentle, warm, and welcoming.
Yeah, that's it. So as you can see, the mix is very good. But in case you wanna, in this case, we don't need to change anything for the volume. But in case you wanna, make it louder or quieter, you can simply do that using this volume slider. So at the end, the music ends towards around 8 minutes and 30 seconds, and after that we have this uplifting music that like transitions from the quiet music to the uplifting music, and I want the nature sounds to end where the soft music ends. So so we have to trim the music. And then the way you do it is you simply hover your mouse towards the end of the audio clip, and you see this line. So you just grab that and then move it to the left, and that trims the ending. And then once you hover, you see the circle as well. So this circle basically is a fade in and fade out option. You see one at the end, one in the beginning. So if I click on it and then move to the left, you see a triangle is being formed, and that means that's fading out. So I want to fade this out around the same time when the music ends, but I want it to go a little bit inside the next track, so the nature sounds continue and softly fades out while the second track starts. So I'm gonna make it slightly longer and then fade out. And these are just optional things. These are like, you have to take a listen, and the way you want to set up your guided meditation, there are no rules. So let's take a listen to this transition to make sure everything is good.
The day awaits you, and you meet it grounded, present, and awake. When you are ready, gently open your eyes.
Yeah, that's pretty good. I would even make it slightly longer, and there you go. And that's down. And if you want to publish this meditation, you click on publish, you give it a title, and just click on this toggle to make it live and share it with a link. So that's how you mix nature sounds with your guided meditation recording. I'm gonna see you in the next one.